Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Hulu error code P-DEV320. This common error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll help you get back to streaming in no time. Step 1. Understand what P-DEV320 means. The P-DEV320 error typically appears when there's a communication issue between your device and Hulu's servers. It can be caused by network problems, outdated apps, or even server-side issues from Hulu's end. Step 2. Check Hulu's server status. Before diving into fixes, visit websites like Down Detector or check Hulu's social media pages to see if the service is down. If Hulu is experiencing outages, the issue is likely not on your end. Step 3. Restart your device. Turn off your streaming device, whether it's a smart TV, mobile phone, game console, or streaming stick, and unplug it for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and power it on. This can clear temporary system glitches. Step 4. Update the Hulu app. Outdated versions of the Hulu app can cause compatibility issues. On most devices, go to the App Store, search for Hulu. If an update is available, tap Update. Step 5. Clear Hulu app cache and data. On mobile devices or Android TVs, go to Settings of Apps, Hulu, Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Note: this will log you out of Hulu, so make sure you remember your login credentials. Step 6. Check internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can trigger the P-DEV320 error. Run a speed test using tools like speedtest.net. Hulu recommends a minimum of 3 Mbps for streaming. Restart your modem and router if speeds are low. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for stability. Step 7. Try a different device. Sometimes the issue is device-specific. Try logging into your Hulu account on a different device and see if the same error appears. If it works elsewhere, the problem might be with your original device's settings or app installation. Step 8. Log out and log back. Log out of your Hulu account and then sign back in. This can reset the session and fix minor account sync issues. Step 9. Reinstall the Hulu app. If none of the previous steps work, uninstall the Hulu app entirely. Restart your device after uninstalling. Reinstall the app from the official store. Sign in and try streaming again. Step 10. Contact Hulu support. If you've tried everything and the error persists, it's time to contact Hulu's customer support. Provide them with the error code and details about your device, app version, and internet connection. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.